Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to create a mass balance table. What a mass balance table does is it takes a mass balance equation shown here and tells you the concentration total at each time step of your sensor series. You'll be given information from the beginning, which is the volume initial, in this case is 1 liter, the concentration initial, which is 0 milligrams per liter, a stock concentration, which is 100 milligrams per liter, and volume added per step, which is 0.01 liters. So using this equation that we will plug into our concentration total, we will find from volume added, concentration added, volume initial, concentration initial, and volume total. The first time step, though, is just our control or baseline measurement. We aren't adding any volume or concentration, as it is just our control group. So volume added is 0. Concentration added is 0. Volume initial we were given, which was 1 liter, so we will plug that in. Concentration initial is 0. And then volume total equals the volume initial plus the volume added, which is still 1 liter. Then concentration total, you could plug these numbers into the equation, but you're still going to get 0. For our next time step, we see that we are adding 0.01 liter and this will be the same for each time step. So we can go ahead, if you want, and drag this cursor down just to add all of our values. The same goes for concentration stock that we add is 100 milligrams per liter. And we can go ahead and drag this down. Volume initial is the previous volume total. Concentration initial is the previous concentration total, which is just 0. And then volume total equals your volume initial plus your volume added. Now to find our concentration total, we need to rewrite this equation so that we get concentration initial times volume initial plus the concentration added times the volume added divided by the volume total. So we rewrote the volume total to be divided out over here to get just our concentration total. Now we will do the same thing for our second time step. Volume initial is now 1.01. Concentration initial is the previous concentration. Volume total equals the volume initial plus the volume added. And then our concentration total is the same equation, which is concentration initial times volume initial plus the concentration added times the volume added, all divided by the volume total. So this is what the equation looks like in Excel. Make sure you're careful with your parentheses, as this is the most common way to lead to an error with your mass balance equations. And for future reference, make sure you keep track of your units. This will be important when you start reporting sensitivity, limit of detection, and so forth. Now volume initial is the previous volume total. Concentration initial is the previous concentration total. And then volume total equals your volume initial plus your volume added. And the same equation is concentration initial times the volume initial plus the concentration added times the volume added, all divided by your volume total. So as you can see, our concentration total goes up little by little in each experiment, and it's the same equation every time, where it's your concentrations initial and volume initial added to your concentration added, volume added, divided by the total volume. We will be using the concentration total in order to find our sensitivity by a plot in the next video, so stay tuned.